Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about how I style my lovely SVT hair. But before we get into that video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and smash that like button for me one time and hit that notification bell too. And without further ado, we can get right into the video. Y'all, I look crazy. But let me just start with sectioning my hair off. This hair is SVT Hair. This is Brazilian body wave in 24 inches in like a natural 1B color. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure it's 1B because I only get 1B hair. I'm gonna try and be a little different this year and maybe experiment with colors. Maybe it's Xtava. I don't know. I bought it off Amazon a couple years ago. It has I think it's two ceramic plates, and it goes up to 455 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna use this I'm gonna do like flat iron curls because I think those are really pretty. I'm gonna just let that warm up. Ooh, I will put that in the description box below. I'll link it down below, as well as this hair. What I normally do, flat iron is hot and ready to go. Let's take a section, and so I'm pretty sure you all know how to do like flat iron curls. If you don't, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on how I curl my hair with a flat iron. So I think the most important part about curling your hair with the flat iron is that you hold your hair a little bit, like these like 2 seconds. While the hair is still hot, I am going to flexi rod it so that it keeps that curl. Keep that curl, hopefully. If y'all can see my lace, don't come for me in the comments. I'm going to fix that later. I like to wand the hair around the flexi rod, the same direction that the curl is going, obviously. I'm gonna do my makeup and get ready to film these other videos. I will come back to you when my hair is done or when I'm about to do my baby hair. We'll see what happens. We'll see. So I will be right back. So I am back. I have done my makeup. So I'm going to take these down right now. Ooh, oh, can y'all see that? Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, cute. Give me that nice like old Hollywood wave. So I usually like to take them down in the order that I put them, except for the one that frames my face, like the important one that frames my face. This one right here, I did that one last. And I usually don't like to run my fingers through it too much. I like to just, at the top, just do this. Look at that. Yes, Hunty. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, honey. What you know about SVT Hair? Oh, what's that? Oh, that's the track. I'm a fool. I'm going to define my part just a little bit more. I use like an old toothbrush to do my baby hair. Obviously I don't brush my teeth with this, that's disgusting. And I also don't always use the got to be glue to slay my baby hair, to lay down my wig all the time. Like right now I only used a little bit. I'm not doing the stocking cap method. I do have a stocking cap on, but I'm not doing the stocking cap method. So I'm just gonna use this Eco Styler gel. Like, I know everybody canceled it, but I like to use this to my baby hair. So I just dip right here. Going out, I would spray the got to be glue onto the toothbrush and then lay my baby hair like that, but I'm staying in for the most part. I might go out a little later today, but that was like, I just found that out. That was before I decided I was doing all of this. That was after I decided I was doing all of this. Ooh, what I should have did was spray my, that's what I forgot to do. When my hair is still in the rollers and the flexi rods, I do like to spray a little bit of got to be glue so it stays. I don't know if I should do that now. I'm not going to. It's not worth it now. So that is it for today's video. This is how I style my SVT hair. If you guys would like to see my initial video, make sure you check that out. I will link that down in the description below. I will also put it up in the cards. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button if you haven't already. I will put all the hair info down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you leave a comment on this hair. Comment down below, how do you normally style your hair? I usually like a middle part straight, like a straight middle part. That's my right hand. That's my go-to. But make sure you check me out on Instagram if you want to see how this hair is holding up and how I styled it for Fashion Week. Boom. So my Instagram is going to be right here. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.